Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll show you how to remove friends on Roblox using your PS5. This is useful for managing your friend list and removing unwanted contacts. So let's begin. So in order to do that, you need to launch your Roblox application on your PS5. And once it is opened, you need to go ahead and access your friends list. Once you've done that, that will display your complete list of friends, and you can use the joystick to navigate through your friend list, highlight the friend's name you want to remove, and press the X button to view their profile. Once done on their profile, you need to scroll down and select the Remove Friend option. Press the X button to confirm your decision, and the person will be now removed from your friends list. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.